Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing a tailgate assist from Dee Zee. Let's get into it. All right, this is a product that is going to give you a nice smooth opening of your tailgate rather than it just dropping down real quickly. This is going to be that nice smooth open and slowly settling down into the open position. Comes in a package like this. It's going to be vehicle specific. Year, make, model, all of that is going to be required when making this purchase. It's a really simple product and a nice addition to your truck. This one happens to be for a Ram. We say Dodge, but we don't call it Dodge anymore. It's a Ram 1500, 2019 and later model years. And actually, I don't even need my knife. There is a little perforation in the back here to just pull this apart and slide out our little shock mechanism. Let's see what else we have here in the box. Nice retail packaging here from Dee Zee. So we do have an installation guide, which is pretty cool. This is full color, nice paper and everything. Wasn't expecting that. And this is specific for the 2019 plus Ram 1500. So it looks like it's only the 1500 only. It's not going to fit your 2500. 3500 and so on. This is a really nice installation guide, 10 steps, full photos and everything. So that'll be really nice. And it looks like you just need one of these. It's going to be installed on one side. See if I can get this open. It's a nice little tailgate assist product. I'm assuming this is like valved and everything specific for the weight of your tailgate and all of that. But it doesn't look like there's even any hardware required. So you're going to tie into some existing locations on the truck. I'm assuming it does have a little rubberized cover to protect this damper. So nice product here from Dee Zee. Now this product line happens to be covered by a 3-year warranty. So it's not gonna wear out for 3 years, opening and closing that tailgate. Now we're gonna be installing this on a Ram 1500 in another video. So if you're interested in that, be sure to check that out. If you're interested in this product or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.